Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this soft brown filter on Capcut. So if you want to make your photos or videos static, you can try to create this soft brown filter. So first, after you adding your videos and also photos into Capcut, you can just head into the adjust option, this one, adjust, and then you can click on the brightness. So for the brightness in here, you can just click on it and then set it into 18 like this, and the contrast, let's lower it to -13, and saturation -11. Now tap on brilliance and increase it to 10, and then click on the sharpness, sharpen, increase it to around 12, and here you can find highlights and lower it to -50. Now tap on shadow and increase it to 10, and click on the hue, increase it to 7, and for the temperature only increase it to around 3. Swipe again and add some thinning effect around 6. Okay, now you can just click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length of the adjustment so that it applies to the entire photos or videos. Go back. Now click on overlay, add overlay, and then add this brown, soft brown background like this. Adjust the size so it cover all of the videos or photo, and adjust also the duration. And then you can go to splice and choose the soft options and lower it to around 80. Now click on a check icon and you are done. So this is the soft brown filter. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.